In terms of CLO5, I couldn't use my button to turn off my entire code in my first code that I made, but in my final code now I can. And also in my final code, my LED light turns on whenever my pump is on as well. For CLO3, I use the hash map to store my sensor data. So, to verify that my moisture to pumping system was working for CLO1, was I used this code to print out their values onto my computer screen and onto my OLED. And I also used this code over here to print out the values onto my OLED board and my computer screen. Thank you. So for CLO2, I use these imports to set up a connection with my board, and I also use this import to set up a graph that would change in real time. And also for CLO4, I use the button to be able to turn off my entire code. So this is my Arduino board, which is connected to my MOSFET, which is connected to my battery, and then to my pump. And then this is my already wet plant, and this is my moisture sensor. And I am now going to run the code. And as you can see, when the code starts to run, there's going to be a live graph that pops up, which is right there. And since this is in my hand and it is dry, the pump is going to pump water, and my OLED board is going to print something, and my LED is turned on. But when I put this in water, you're going to see now my LED my pump stops pumping water, and my OLED starts to print something else, and my LED is turned off. And there's a big jump in my graph. And as you can see, it's also printing out everything on here as well. And when I hold the button, the whole code turns off. My name is Pedro Idilis, student number 218942326.